Hey there, stop! And pay a very close attention to this life-changing video for the next 1 to 2 minutes. What if you could access a brand new technology fully powered by ChatGPT4 that generates high-quality content, designs stunning AI art and images, crafts high-converting market materials, and converts speech to text with the push of a button in under 2 minutes, and boosts your conversion, traffic, and sales like never before? Sounds like a groundbreaking opportunity? See, the AI industry has taken over the world by storm, eliminating hundreds of thousands of jobs worldwide and becoming the undisputed ruler of the online world in no time. And to your surprise, ChatGPT and AI industry is now worth over $119.78 billion and is expected to hit $1.5 trillion by 2030. And seeing the profit potential and limitless possibilities of AI, we developed a fully ChatGPT4 powered app that pushes the boundaries of human-AI interaction and revolutionizes businesses and marketing like never before. Finally, this revolutionary AI app allows you to generate human-like 100% accurate answers to complex questions in real time, crafts high-converting marketing materials like sales scripts, video scripts, email swipes, and so much more, designs stunning AI graphics, visuals, and art with just a single keyword, create high-quality, 100% unique and captivating content like ebooks, articles, essays, stories, poems, and much more. Write creative blog posts, social media posts, Facebook ads, Google ads, and real content for your business. Automates your repetitive tasks, translates languages, solves tricky math problems, and saves your time. Well, now you can get anything you want instantly 10 times faster. And the best part is, you can get all this done with a single keyword in less than 2 minutes. Finally, this next-gen futuristic ChatGPT4-driven software lets you fire your expensive copywriters and content writers, fire your expensive AI artists and image designers, fire your expensive web developers and coders, and cancel all your existing expensive tools and services. Well, now it's time for you to experience the power of this paradigm-shifting ChatGPT4 AI revolution that's redefining the boundaries of human intelligence. Introducing AiPal. AiPal is the world's first fully ChatGPT4 powered app that creates high-quality content, designs stunning AI arts and images, generates human-like answers, and converts speech to text just with a single keyword in less than 2 minutes. Finally, unleash the true potential of this groundbreaking AI software to generate non-stop sales and commissions. Now with AiPal, you can start your very content creation agency and charge anything you like. Design and sell jaw-dropping AI arts and images for maximum profit. Craft and sell high-converting marketing materials like sales scripts, video scripts, email swipes, and so much more. Start your own translation and speech-to-text services and profit huge. And that's not all. AiPal comes with commercial rights, giving you the license to print your very own money by selling limitless high-quality content, AI arts, and marketing materials to your audience. Well, AiPal is the new AI revolution entirely driven by ChatGPT4 and OpenAI that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Type your desired specification about anything that you want, like content, AI graphics, marketing materials, etc. Step 2. Generate. AiPal harnesses the power of ChatGPT4 and OpenAI and generates your required materials in the blink of an eye. Step 3. Profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand marketing materials and so much more to your clients or on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork while filling up your pockets. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create high-quality content, design stunning AI graphics and arts, generates human-like answers, and converts speech to text with single keyword in less than 2 minutes? There isn't. So, what are you waiting for? AiPal is the new AI revolution that is changing the lives of many ordinary people just like you. Finally, end your search with this revolutionary ChatGPT4 driven app that has everything you need. And wait, I'm gonna sweeten the deal even more. Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to AiPal just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of AiPal at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.